welcome to Joy Coifish. My name is Joy Koi, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the long tail cast on method. The long tail cast on method is a simple method that everyone should know, and it's definitely a great method of cast on that every beginner should learn how to do first. So here's how we do it. So in my previous video, I showed you how to create a slip knot, but I'll review it once more. So if you have a loose end, take the loose end, give yourself about 3 or 4 inches of yarn tail, wrap it around your 2 fingers, then you have this X. Then take the strand that is closer to your ball of yarn, not the one that has a loose end, and dip that under that loop, pull it up, and you've got a slip knot. There are definitely ways that you can start long tail cast on methods with without a slip knot, and I will have other videos coming out on how to do that as well. So here's how we're going to do it. So put your slip knot onto your needle for knitting, and you are going to take the front, you're going to make this loose end rather, the front strand that is facing towards you. So you're going to take that, and now if you can make an arrow shape with your fingers, you are golden, you are set. We are going to put those 2 fingers, our pointer or index finger and our thumb, in between the 2 strands of yarn like this, so that it kind of looks like a V that's facing towards our needle. Then we are going to turn our fingers so that we have this N shape. So N. Whoops. So if you have that N shape, you are set. So here, let me just get it back for you. So we've got this N, and then we are going to take our needle, and I just like to grip the loose end with my other 2 fingers, as you can see right here. So take your needle, go up through this loop that's in front of your thumb, go around to this loop that is in front of your index finger, and then bring that loop through this loop that we have near our thumb. Then you have your cast on. So I'll show you that again. So take your 2 fingers, your index finger and your thumb, put it between the 2 strands of yarn like this, that you have like this V that's pointing towards the direction of your right needle. Then you are going to twist so that you are pointing like an arrow and you see an N shape, a capital N. And then you are going to take your needle, bring it through that front loop near your thumb, bring it around to this loop in front of your index finger, and bring that loop that was near your index finger through the loop that was near the thumb. I know it's complicated, but if you continue to re-watch this and keep trying, you definitely have it. If you've been doing it in real time with me, you should already have 3 stitches, including your slip knot. If you have anything more than that, if you've been not pausing the video, you're probably doing it incorrectly, but that's all right. So I'll show you it one more time. So have your index finger here and your thumb, and you're going to put those in between your 2 strands of yarn, like this, so that you have a V pointing towards the right needle. Then you're going to twist it so that you're pointing like an arrow, and you're going to have this N shape, this capital N. Then you're going to take your right needle, bring it up through this front loop near your thumb, around to this loop near your index finger, bring that loop with your index finger through the loop near your thumb. Now you should have 4. You can pause this video, rewind, whatever you'd like to get a further understanding and continue watching how I do it. You can also slow down the video if you'd like, and if you have any questions, please be sure to comment down below. But yeah, once you get this process down, it should start looking like this. You should be able to continuously being able to do it. Just make sure that you kind of prepare the amount of yarn that you will need for casting on before you start to create that slip knot. So say if you're going to cast on 10 stitches, for example, and that's in your pattern, you're probably going to want 5 inches of yarn, depending on your weight of yarn that you're using. Maybe it's a bulky like mine. But yeah, so that you have a nice tail so that you can seam in your yarn end. So that's how you do the long tail cast on method. When you do your long tail cast on method, it will have, here, let me focus this for you. It will have this edge that almost looks like loops like this, and that is going to be your right side, which is the correct side. And then you've got these bumps on the other side going upward that almost look like pearl bumps or a braid. So yeah, that's how you do the long tail cast on method. If this video was helpful to you, please be sure to like, and if it was really helpful and you'd like to stay tuned for more, please be sure to subscribe. It helps me out. So thank you so much for watching. Happy knitting and crocheting.